Hello everyone. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Look, let's just get into it. I didn't press replay yet because I need you guys to see this price action. Do you see how ugly price action has been? Do you see that? Do you see how ugly it has been? This is the choppiest, ugliest market that I have ever witnessed. Like, last year was a cakewalk, at least. Market structure was a thing. This is like broken records. Like, what is this? What is this? Like, what is that? Like, and then it's barely moving. So it's definitely been testing my psychology and my patience. And today was actually worse because what did I trade? I traded QQQ. Last time I traded QQQ was last year, March. And I swore not to trade it again. And the reason why I trade SPY is because SPY, counterintuitive, has a better price action. Like, it's a bit smoother compared to QQQ. And I took a QQQ trade today. And I'm in a swing. I'm currently in a swing trade, which I am not a swing trader. And let me show you the reason why there's actually no reason why I honestly shouldn't have even traded today. There's no reason why. So I'm just going to give you a rundown of what I may have traded today. Cuz do you see that? This is disastrous. Why would I want to trade that? So guess what? So because this was disastrous, I was like, oh my God, let me just look at other, I can look at other stocks, which I never do. I don't trade any other stocks. I've never back tested any other stocks. I just wanted to stick to one. And tell me why. Do you see that at the bottom? Tell me why I added all of these. For what reason? I only trade SPY. There's no reason. I say all that to say, because you see how it's choppy? It's really choppy. So I'm like, okay, the 1 minute is terrible. At least, the 2 minute is still a little bit choppy. No market structure. The 3 minute gave me something, but I still was a little bit iffy about, steering away from my strategy. So these, I'm just, I don't even know if I'll show you guys a trade, but I guess maybe I can just talk about how these are the moments that really solidify you as a trader. Are you an impulsive trader? And I personally feel like I've been okay. I haven't been acting too much on impulsing. Sometimes, if I see that there's no reason for me to take the trade, I just won't. But today, and honestly last week, my psychology was severely messed up. Key levels weren't being hit. The price was choppy. We're at higher lows right now. If you check at least the daily or the 4 hour, you can see that we're currently in a bullish market. The issue is just that, it's a very choppy bullish market. Yeah, I even have I have a whole thing. Yeah, it's a bullish market. We have higher highs, higher lows, and I think I had some key levels here. Wow, I actually forgot that I wrote down these key levels. Wow. Okay, whatever. But yeah, I did this during the weekend. But yeah, we are in an uptrend currently. So I was thinking, okay, I can just take calls or whatever whenever I see an entry. So let me just go down to the 1 minute and let's replay, because I'm trying, as you guys know, I am trading with the supply and demand strategy, and it's really hard to do it in this sort of market because there isn't much supply or demand. Neither is there any volume. Nobody wants to buy right now because of a whole bunch of economic news, which is low-key understandable, but at the same time, it's low-key trifling for us retail traders. So, let's start from the beginning. Oh my gosh, my energy levels just dropped. I'm tired. Okay. Let's just check and see, you know, if we had some pointers that we could have gotten. Is like just the price action is just ass. Like it's honestly just terrible. And even when I do spot one, like it like okay, yeah, like there's a little bit of, I can't even call that because there's just no volume. I can't even call this supply, a supply zone. Yeah, no. Pff. But there is a little demand zone right here. I want to change this to pink. Oh, okay. Sir, bye. Nobody wants to publish anything. So this is a demand zone right here. Another demand zone. Yeah, I wanted to color this pink. Tickle me pink. Okay. Like honestly, guys, the price action has just been so terrible. Yep. Like I wouldn't even want to. I honestly was about to walk away, and there was. I should have just walked away. Like legit. There was no need for me to like try and trade this. There was absolutely no reason. It's choppy, like hella choppy. And then all my levels get invalidated. Like all of them just get invalidated. And it's already 10 o'clock, and this right here is exhausting. It's really exhausting, especially on the 1 minute. I'm trying to see where I got in. You know, actually, I'll tell you where I got in. I will actually tell you where I got in because it's actually such a sad situation as to why I got in. It's actually a really sad situation. Like, it's the saddest situation. So I'm trying to let y'all see my strategy to see whether there could have been any possible moves today. Actually, yeah, right here. So obs, my strategy. Okay. So I have 4 points. Probably would have still ended red anyways. And from here, I put in a buy for $1 move to the upside because there was literally no volume. Let me just play that out because I still stayed in, and we're still going to see whether price. Usually I like to like put a stop loss like at the second one, but we'll put it for a 1-to-1. Y'all see that? Okay. So so let me tell you something. I never got out the trade. That's why I'm still swinging. And it hit my stop loss, but it wicked out the stop loss. And because, yeah, let me see. Yeah, it wicked out my stop loss. And it was very upsetting. Very upsetting. So I'm still in the trade. And not even that it wicked at it. It's just that it touched it while it was at market close, and I think I just couldn't accept that it was a loss, and that's why I'm still in the swing. And let me show you why I got into the QQQ. So my reason for the QQQ was because of the market open. Okay, so I got in here because I see this check mark right here, which I know for a fact that it's going to be a rally. So I think I got in I don't even have to. I don't honestly don't even know when I got in. I just knew that I got in for a $2 move and price never went there and price never touched my stop loss. Okay, no, it didn't touch my stop loss for QQQ, but it touched my stop loss for SPY. But I stayed in SPY, and I'm staying in QQ. Whatever. I'm just gonna crash out today, and that's just my trade for today. Mistakes are made. It's fine. If I take an L tomorrow, we'll see. I've been haunting NQ to see if price. Oh my god, if price can stay above this line, like for the rest of the night, in the morning, I would at least have a decent gap up. But of course, it never goes my way. So we'll see about that tomorrow. So thanks for watching this video. RIP to my live account. Last week was amazing. I mean, last month was amazing. It was beautiful when I was trading with paper trading, and I honestly treated that paper trading account like my real account, with every emotion, everything. But of course, when I go live, it's whatever the hell. See you in the next video, guys.